Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So let's waste no more time and let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin. We take 80 grams of shredded parmesan cheese in a little bowl and add one large egg white to it. Give it all a good mix in the little bowl and you should make it into a little doughy mixture. Now, after that, you make it into little balls and put it into a plate so that it binds nicely in your plate for about 5 minutes. Leave it as little balls. Now I've taken a pan with some oil and I'm dropping them one by one, seeing that I don't crowd the pan too much and allow it to cook. You'll see one side getting a little brown. My problem was I put a little less oil. If you're going to deep fry them, they'll really beautifully pop up. So here they are. Such an easy, quick recipe. And to have cheese ball, even your friends and family who are not keto low carb will never know these are keto low carb cheese balls with just 2 ingredients. And as you can see, I'm cooking them both, all of them. Oh my God, they are yummilicious. Just hear me taking the crunch when I pull them out and do a taste test. Absolutely amazing. And here it is. So thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel to help me grow, and don't forget to press the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye then.